I've been using the Airchat app on my Android for over a week now, and I'm really enjoying it. When I made my first Airchat video last week, linked up here, the app was very basic. All I could do was find people, scroll the feed, and send and receive direct messages. And of course I could create posts and reply to posts, but that was it. I read that their Android team only has 2 developers on it. So as is usually the case with apps, the Android experience is lagging the iOS experience in terms of features. But since making that video, they've added several features to the Android app, such as channels and the ability to invite people from within the app, which, by the way, each user can now invite up to 20 people. So at the time I made the last video, it was only 2 invites per user. The feature I find myself using the most is channels. Channels are like groups centered around a particular topic. And as far as I know, you cannot create a channel. They're made by the Airchat team around predetermined topics, but they're always adding new ones. And I'm part of channels like, well, let's see here. I got it pulled up on my phone. I'm part of AI Talk, Advice, Books, Fitness, My First Million, and Network State. Within those topics, people are having conversations around that theme. And I particularly enjoy the books and AI Talk one. I've been asking questions in the AI Talk one about like, what tools do you recommend for X? And people have been coming in and providing their responses. And I just find that it's a lot more engaged than Twitter or some of the other platforms. And then with the books one, same thing. People are chiming in with books they recommend, things they recently read. There's kind of these mini book clubs forming. People are discussing and debating things that they're reading. And when you hear someone recommend a book on Airchat, it seems a lot more meaningful because you're hearing their voice, you're hearing the passion and the emphasis in their voice versus just reading some text in a Twitter thread. So I've discovered a lot of new books this way already, books that I'd never heard of. It's been really great for that type of discovery. Another aspect of Airchat that I've noticed is a new style of humor emerging. Every platform has a distinct style of meme that's prevalent on their platform. And what I'm seeing on Airchat is people creating satirical stories. So they'll narrate a story in first person as if it was real, but they're completely fabricated. So I'm interested in what's going to come out of this, to see the type of micro celebrities in humor and culture that emerges on Airchat in the coming months and years. Let me know in the comments what questions you have about Airchat.